Welcome to our comprehensive overview of Exrates, a secure and efficient cryptocurrency exchange platform. Exrates offers a seamless experience for both novice and experienced traders, with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate the platform. To get started, simply sign up for an account and explore a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading. You'll enjoy low fees and high liquidity, allowing you to trade efficiently. Exrates also supports fast and secure transactions, ensuring your digital assets are well protected. Before you make your first trade, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once you're familiar with the platform, you can easily execute buy and sell orders for your preferred cryptocurrencies. Exrates ensures that all transactions are executed quickly and at competitive rates, making it a reliable option for traders. Be sure to explore Exrates' various features, including its advanced trading tools, market analytics, and wallet integration for a complete trading experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to trade securely on one of the most efficient platforms available today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tips and guides. Your support helps us continue to create more valuable content for crypto enthusiasts like you.